Hello guys, what's up? I hope you are well. Microsoft has released Windows 11 23 to update. If you want to download and install this update, this video is for you. Today I will show you two methods for download Windows 11 23 to update. So let's begin. To download Windows 11 23 to update, there is two methods. One, you can go to settings. To go to settings, first you need to tap on settings button, then click update and security, then you should press download and install button, then click accept and install. Second method to download Windows 11 23 to update is you need to open a browser, then in the search bar you have to search for Windows 11 download, then press download Windows 11. Then scroll on it, then select download Windows 11 Multi Edition ISO for x64 device, then click download now, then choose your language. I have chosen English United States, then press confirm. Then click 64-bit download. So the downloaded file will start it. You can also upgrade to Windows 11 by Media Creation Tool. To upgrade Windows 11, you can search for download Windows 11. Then click download in Windows 11. Then select create Windows 11 installation media. Download, press download now. Then media creation tool.exe is started to download.